Woo, woo, woo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a sink to install. What I'm gonna do, I already measure because I did not brought my camera, my camera stand. So that's why you did not see me installing the lines. I mean drawing the lines, taking the measurements. But what I did, I take a measurement from the front to about this pencil line, which is about 1.5, and I did the same to this as well. And I take a measurement from here just to here, so that this will not cover by this will not be covered by the tiles. This will be open. And then what I did, I take a measurement from this side to the end of this, because I only cutting out this hole alone. So this line will be the starting of the sink, which will be here, and this line I'll be cutting the line and the blue tape to fit this sink. So this is how it will be. Right, so what you can do is take a measurement from this end just to anyway about where I have the line, or in more, so you have that line. And then you take a measurement from the end to about here, because you don't want these to be covered by the tiles. So you take it about here so that you can do a connection from under the cupboard. Right, you take a measurement, let's say you get 1.5. So you take 1.5, you take 1.5 from the edge of the tiles to this mark, because this lip will be going flush to the wall. And then the same thing, what you can do now, you have this line and this, you can install it as if you're going to actually do it. And if you notice, this line is to the end, and they have this. What you can do now, you can just assume. Notice, you can just take your and do like that, and you can get a reference line, or you can take a measuring tape and mark from this pencil mark, and just how much you want to be cut. So about here, and you get an indication. And after you're doing that, you want to get the front down. As I mentioned, you measure the front. You measure the front, you got 2 inches, but you don't want it too close. Give it a little room to move. So let's say you take about 1.5. So you do this, you do the same because the cupboard, the sink is, the interesting is 19 and 3/8. So what if you take 19 and 3/8 with your tape? You take 19 and 3/8 with your tape from the back of the wall, and then mark 19 and 3/8 here. And then we take 1.5, because you want 1.5 inch from you need 1.5 inch from the edge to the actual piece you cut. And then you use your tape and you measure 1.5 inch from here to this. And after you get it, so this will be a cutting line. Cut this, cut this, cut this, and cut this, so that this sink can insert in between. Just to make sure, what you can do, you can align. You can just do a rough alignment. If you want, you can. If you want, you can put your level, your square, and say yes. Okay, that will be the edge. And if you can watch and make sure, well, yes, it's going to fit inside of the hole. Yes, it will fit inside of the hole. Okay. So let's try. Let's do it. Okay. Stop on now. I'll wait. Bem, assim, mano.